Good morning, friends. So today we're going to talk about your day 23 choice board for math. Choice 1, it says play, roll, and total. You'll need 2 dice and make a chart like the one in the picture below. Parents, I have included a printable version of this if you'd like to print it, or you can simply make it on a scratch piece of paper. It's up to you. What you're going to do is you're going to work with a partner. You can use a sibling or a parent. You're going to roll both dice and find the sum. Shade the first empty box above the sum in the table below. So here's an example. Remember, friends, we've played this in class before. So you're going to have 2 dice. You're going to roll them both. So one, I got a 3 and the other, I got a 4. I'm going to add that 3 and that 4 together to make the sum of 7. And then I'm going to come over to my chart and I'm going to shade in one box above the number 7 since that was my sum. And you're going to play that until your columns are all filled up. Choice number 2 is you're going to make a unit book. So you're going to need some materials like paper and crayons or color pencils, parents, whatever you have laying around. You're going to think of a unit that you can draw, such as dogs, cats, or balloons. Draw a picture and count how many you drew. Then you're going to write a story about your drawing. Don't forget to include the number and the unit in your story. Remember, the unit is what you're talking about. So if you draw a picture of dogs, then your unit is dogs. So here's my example. I used dogs. I drew 5 dogs, and up here it says units, dogs. And then I made my story. I have 3 dogs. My friend Andrew has 2 dogs. Together we have 5. And I included my number sentence on the bottom. 3 plus 2 is 5. And you can make several different unit papers with this. Choice number 3 is you're going to make a number story. Watch the video. You're just going to click on this link. If you could add a page to this book, what would your page look like? So you're going to add a page to this book. Ways to make 11. So here is my page. I put in the garden, there are 3 red tulips, 4 yellow daisies, and 4 pink roses. Then I drew a picture to match my story. Make sure you use the same number of drawings that you use in your story. Then on the bottom, don't forget to use your number sentence. So my number sentence was 3 plus 4 plus 4, and it should equal 11. Yours should equal 11 too, since you're adding a page to the book, 12 Ways to Get 11. Choice number 4 is you're going to count the chair legs in your house. If you need help, ask your mom or dad or brother or sister. You've got to make a plan and use a piece of paper. So you've got to think about, will you use a tally chart? Will you draw a picture? How are you going to solve counting the number of chair legs in your house? So here are some strategy examples. The tally chart, we've done this in class, friends, or you can draw a picture. Here's my example. I used a tally chart. And then on the bottom, I wrote a little sentence about it, making sure I included my number sentence and the total chairs in my house. Remember, friends, when you get to tally number 5, you do the seatbelt jive. Choice number 5 is your digital choice. So you're going to get to go to Freckle and work for 15 or 20 minutes, or you can go to the Khan Academy Kids and set up a free account and you can work for 15 to 20 minutes. Here are some video resources for you. Remember, you can use these if you are having trouble with any of the choice board choices, or you can just use this to refresh your brain on addition and solving word problems and using tally marks. Parents, here are some free printables that you can download and print off for your little one to practice, in addition to the choice boards. And on the bottom, there's also another option for you to access more printables if you need extra help. And as always, we are here to help in whatever way we can, so feel free to contact us. All right, friends, have fun.